Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and warm up with our nunchucks, okay? Might sound silly, but it is important to go ahead and stretch out and get your body loose before using these, because if you use your, you can strain muscles in your wrists and tendons, okay? So let's go ahead and take your nunchucks in each hand like this and shake them out side to side. Get them loose. And stick them out just like this. Bam, there you go, just like that. Go ahead and set your nunchucks down. Take your wrist, go side to side like this. Warm them up, grab in a tight fist, spin in a circle. And then you're also going to be doing finger spins and thumb spins. So you're going to stretch your fingers. There we go. Take your thumbs, bend them back a little bit to each side. Okay, and we also are going to be using a lot of upper body. So go ahead and move it around a little bit. Do some swings side to side. Do about 10. And you can also do some of these. Put your hands on your hips and reach over. Stretch out that side. Get it stretched out nice and good. There we go. And put your arm all the way to the side. There you go, just like that. So with your warm-up, take about 10-15 minutes, get warmed up real good, and stretched out so you'll be ready to go.